Welcome to schoolexcel.tech. How to use student accounting efficiently. Log on to your school account first. Go to Student Accounting menu. First, add fees type as shown in this video. You can establish fee types and groups based on your needs or class. Next, include the fees group, including the amount and the due date. Please tick the box beside the fees type you wish to assign. If there is a fine, add it. Then assign fees to the relevant class. Go to the fee invoice to check invoice list. Then click on Collect button to add fees as shown in this video. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns regarding school ERP, please call 937-03102, 36 or 869892 22922, or drop a message in the group.